Here I have Realme C21 and today I'm going to show you how to lock apps with Fingerprint on this device. So to lock apps with Fingerprint, what you will have to do first is to add your fingerprint. If you don't know how to add fingerprint on this device, you can find this video tutorial on our channel. So go watch this tutorial, add fingerprint, then go back to this video and go to the fingerprint. Fingerprint face and password, then go to your fingerprint which you added, enter your password, then use fingerprint 4, enable app lock. Then you have to set up privacy password for this app lock. You can use the 6-digit pin code. You can choose different password type. It could be pattern, 4-digit password, 4 to 16-digit password with 4 to 16 alphanumeric characters. I'll just select the same one I have on my lock screen. Then you have to answer this security question. For example, what's the name of one of your teachers? So you just enter this answer. And now when you enable this app lock, you can go to the app lock from fingerprint, face and password. Then you have to verify your identity with your fingerprint. And here you can block these apps. Not block, lock I mean. So let's just lock maybe gallery and Google Chrome. And now as you can see I can't access Google Chrome without my fingerprint. And now I can. And the same with the gallery. These apps will be unlocked until you lock the screen, and after you locked the screen and then unlocked it, they will be locked again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.